We're going to start by making the leaf. So with green yarn, we're going to chain 5. Starting in the second chain from hook, we're going to do 2 half double crochets, one single crochet, a slip stitch, and now we're going to chain 2. Going back in the original chain we made, we're going to do 2 single crochets, two half double crochets, and fasten off by slip stitching into the first stitch. Moving on to the stem, sticking with the green yarn, we're going to do 6 single crochets in a magic circle. Now from rows 2 to 5, for a total of 4 rows, we're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. At this point we can tuck in the string into the stem just to get out of our way. Now we're going to attach the leaf onto the first 2 stitches. So I like to go underneath the slip stitch as well as into the first stitch. And now we can just do 4 single crochets along the rest of the row as normal. Now we are going to color change to our secondary color. In this case, I will be using pink. Depending on how you like to color change, this will look different for you, but how I like to color change is I don't complete the last single crochet fully. Instead, I fasten off the old color and just attach the new color before pulling through the loops for the single crochet. Now that we have attached the secondary color, we are going to start working on the flower. So we are going to do 6 increases in the front loops only of this row for a total of 12 stitches. Now we are going to repeat increase 1 single crochet 6 times for a total of 18 stitches. Now from rows 9 to 12, for a total of 4 rows, we are going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now we're going to fasten off by slip stitching into the first stitch and leaving a long tail for sewing shut. At this point, we're going to lightly stuff the top portion. In a cross-like motion, we are going to sew the top of the flower closed. So what I mean by cross-like motion is we're going to go into the next stitch and go directly across, pull through, go into a neighboring stitch, and go to the other side, pull that through, once again go into a neighboring stitch, go all the way across, pull through, and now just to create more shape, I like to go 1 row down and pull across and do the same thing sideways. So we're going to go in 1 row down and then have it come out 1 row down on the side, pull that through, and just do it once more to finish off. Pull that through. Once it is sewn closed and shaped to your liking, you can just go ahead and cut the remaining thread. And now we have a tiny little tulip. The optional step is that you can also attach a little keychain to it and hang it from a bag or purse. But other than that, that completes the pattern. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.